Welcome to TrainStation Diorama. In this episode, we're constructing an American city complete with some of its iconic features. First, we tackled the buildings, assembling them piece by piece and adding a special touch of patina to achieve an authentic look. With the buildings ready, we turned our attention to the landscape. We carefully crafted the roads and strategically placed the buildings. Attention to detail is crucial, so we added fences, bushes, and trees to enhance the scene. To bring our miniature city to life, we included tiny characters going about their day. The American city is finished, and our diorama is starting to come to life. This American part has us quite enchanted. What do you think? Next, we delve into the making of the German countryside and take a look at a nearby mine. Subscribe now to stay updated with our latest episodes and unboxings. Now we want to hear from you. Decide which type of factory we should build in the diorama. Go to TrainStation 2 and vote for your favorite.